Hey guys, Jeff here at Rich & Sons. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of the Passport. This is a 2022 model, and the model of it is a 252 RD. So on the front, you're going to have power tongue jack, two 20-pound propane tanks, nice pass-through storage here, and you're going to notice you have a huge awning on here. It's about the whole length of the coach. You got the LED light strip in it. So we'll take a peek through the inside here. This one does have solar on it. It's the 400i, so it's got the two 200-watt panels with the inverted outlets. So we'll start up in the bedroom and kind of work our way to the back. You'll have a queen-size walk-around bed in here, outlets on both sides, and then you're going to have great storage in here as well. And then bathroom kind of separates the living and the bedroom area, so good room in the shower, plenty of room around the toilet there. Nice little vanity here. Got a medicine cabinet up top. On the slide out, you're going to have the refrigerator, great storage, and then your theater seating here. Back wall is going to be your booth dinette. It's a wraparound. Great windows back here, as you can see. So got great views here. Great counter space in here and good storage as well. So again, we're in the 2022 Passport 252 RD. Your best price on it right now is $34,999. And then on all of our 22 models, you're getting a hitch with that. Ask one of the sales associates about the details on that. So thanks, guys. Have a great rest of your day.